Hey Connexit family, what's up? Today in this video, I'll be showing you an inbuilt app inside Connexit that is coupon generator. So I'm super excited to show you how you can actually use coupon generator inside Connexit and build your own workflows. So let's get started by creating. So I'm going to use a lead card as my trigger. As LeadCard is a webhook enabled app, so you don't need to authorize it. So you can copy the webhook URL and paste inside LeadCard. So before actually you click on capture webhook response to capture the data before sending the test payload. So this will send data from LeadCard and we will receive the same inside Connexit. Yes, we receive the data from LeadCard. So we have the complete details from lead card, the customer details inside here. So now I'm going to use the coupon generator inside Connexit. So coupon generator is an inbuilt app inside Connexit. I'll be selecting it as generate coupon. So this is the timeline in generate coupon is an validity. So how many days or how many months or week so your coupon is valid for. So you can basically select this. I'm going to select it as 60 days, which is a normal LTD rule. So and prefix is optional, so just going to use the name as prefix. So this basically takes using the characters from your input and it generate a coupon. And coupon length is also optional, but means the coupon length is for those who want to generate a coupon. There will be some application that accepts only certain length, so you can use this as optional one. So if you specify it as any number, so it will basically generate the coupon with that particular number. So now I'm going to generate the coupon by clicking on generate coupon. So this will be adding it as additional attributes. So that will be, one is our coupon code and the other one is expiry date. So basically you can check that. So it actually calculated from today date to the next 60 days and automatically generate an expiry date. So you can use it for your further automation. So now I'm going to do that. I'm using it for further automation. So now I will take Google Sheet to store this data. Basically, whenever there is a sales happen inside a lead card, so I'm going to select that as create spreadsheet row and I'll be selecting my sheet and add all the details. So name, I'll be getting it from lead card and also the phone number and also the email ID. So coupon code, so you can get it from the coupon code generator and also the expiry date. So now my sheets are ready. So this is my Google Sheet basically. So I have all this data. So now I'm going to click on test and review. So this will basically send the data to my Google Sheet. So you can see that. So the data will be added inside the Google Sheet. So now I will use text formatter and send an email. So I'll create a body content using text formatter and I use all this coupon code and also the expiry date and also the name. So I already have the content ready just to save time. So I'm going to use this data, that will be the first name, so and the coupon code. So coupon code will be here and the expiry date. So I connected all these details from my Google Sheet. So now I will be clicking on validate. So this will validate the data from text formatter. So now I'm going to use Gmail to send an email. I'll be selecting the account and the action as send email. So I'll be selecting as welcome to Connexit demo, and the body content from my formatter, and I'm going to use the email ID which I'm getting it from Leadcart. So I'll be clicking on test and review. So this will send an email from Gmail. So my connects are ready, guys. So I hope you got the coupon generator. So, and what are all the use cases? So you can actually use this as if you want to generate any kind of encoded formatted code. For example, any passwords, if you can generate using this coupon generator, and also you can generate coupons by default. And now I'm going to publish my connect. So let's go ahead and save my webhook in Leadcart, and I'm going to test it live using Leadcart. So I'm going to enter all these details. I'll be providing my email ID and also the phone number. And I'll be selecting as cash on delivery. So yes, my sale is being completed. So basically, according to my connect, so any request on Connexit webhook URL from Leadcart, so that will create a spreadsheet row in Google Sheet and send an email on Gmail. So now let's go ahead and see the Google Sheet. Yes, guys, so you can see that. So we got a lead from Leadcart. So that will be my name and the phone number and also the email ID with the coupon code which is automatically generated, and the expiry date, as I told, it automatically create the 60 days expiry code. So and also we will be receiving an email for this particular email ID. Yes, you can see that. So it's an demo email ID, so that is in custom subject, and also with the coupon code and also the expiry date. So this is how you can generate a coupon code inside Connexit using an inbuilt app inside Connexit, and add a row inside Google Sheet and send an email for whenever there is a new order on your lead funnel. Hope you guys like this integration. So if you guys have any questions on this particular integration, do drop us on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Make use of coupon generator in all the possibilities. It's an inbuilt app, so we will be happy to get all your use cases. So and drop your all use cases if you can able to like achieve, if you don't want to achieve any suggestions required on your particular use cases using coupon generator. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.